Continuing coverage tonight, federal prosecutors say fentanyl is everywhere and it is deadly. Today, a guilty plea in the overdose death of a prominent Lowcountry attorney is underscoring just how dangerous fentanyl has become.
Yeah, Emily, Deanne was in federal court today as Levi Miles pleaded guilty once again. And Emily, we learned the defendant and the victim were actually related.
That's right, Tessa and Ashley. Miles' attorney told me today that the two were not only cousins, but described them as like brothers. And Miles declined to speak with me today, but appeared very stoic and remorseful inside the courtroom. A tragic mix of family, addiction, and fentanyl. Today, Levi Miles pled guilty in a case tied to the overdose death of his cousin, prominent Lowcountry attorney David Aylor.
The United States Attorney's Office remains committed to investigating offenses involving the distribution of fentanyl, which is a deadly substance and is pervasive in the community.
According to court records, Miles and Aylor were cousins and also co-workers, both employed at a local personal injury law firm. Miles' attorney says their relationship went far beyond co-working.
David was his cousin, but was also, like a brother to him. Literally a brother, best friend relationship. So it's hard on everybody. It's sad and it's tragic. And I think we're doing the best we can to address that and his role in that.
Miles first pled guilty in November of 2025, nearly 3 years after Aylor's death. He faces federal charges connected to the distribution of fentanyl and oxycodone. Prosecutors say he supplied the drugs to his cousin for about a year leading up to January 2023. His attorney says Miles has cooperated with investigators and accepted responsibility for his actions.
But obviously it's tragic, and as soon as he understood his role in this, he's done nothing but take accountability. So, a tough day, but I think, we're glad this is getting behind him.
Court records show Miles admitted to a long history of drug and alcohol abuse and says he completed treatment locally. Because the victim's family is also his own, Miles is allowed to remain in contact with them. David Aylor was 41 years old when he was found dead from a drug overdose inside a Charleston home in January of 2023. According to the Charleston County Coroner's Office most recent report, Aylor was one of 254 drug-related deaths in 2023, with fentanyl listed as the leading cause.
It's vitally important, as this case shows. It's often the case that fentanyl is included in substance that people might otherwise think are free from it. It's widespread in the community and it's deadly. So we're committed. Our federal partners, as well as our state partners who assisted in this case, are committed to investigating offenses involving fentanyl.
Miles faces up to 20 years in prison, a $1 million fine, and at least 3 years of supervised release for each charge. He's currently out on a $25,000 bond. Miles will be sentenced at a later date. Read more about this case on our website, abcnews4.com. Working for you, Emily, Deanne, News 4.